Hey, what's going on? What's going on, child? What's going on, child? What it do? Getting what it do? So right now I'm currently at the car show right now, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I just pull up, right? But when I got here, when I had to turn my car off, right? For some reason, I think my battery just went dead, and it's kind of weird because like I was driving the car, and the battery light was flashing, but I didn't know what was wrong with it, so I kept driving it. But when I got here, the shit just dead. So, but we ain't gonna let that shit, that shit stop the show. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna let nothing stop the grind, none of that. So we outside right now, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm seeing some hard ass cars so far. It's a couple Mclaren right here. Look at these right here, looking like a Skittle pack. You know what I'm saying? A couple Mclaren's. You know what I'm saying? This shit hard. Like it's hard. I like all them like McLaren just like line up like. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, the black on black go crazy. But then again, the orange one go hard too. We got the green one right here. We got the white one down there. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, YouTube, it's kind of like, it's cold as fuck outside. I'm talking about like, look at my hand is freezing. But I got to tell y'all again, 2024, we ain't gonna make no excuses. We're gonna go outside, get this content vlog, do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, we working. But as y'all can't see YouTube, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like dead today. Well, it's not really dead, but I'm not really seeing like too many fire ass cars. It's just a couple like, look at this shit right here. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Lamborghini section for y'all so y'all can see the. Oh shit! Hold on, let's go over it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to Caffeine and Octane. We appreciate you, even though the wind is cutting us in half. We are all still here. Guess why? We love cars. We love cars and we love Caffeine and Octane. So please go by and say thank you to the sponsors. Because they love cars.
That's the first time. I ain't never seen no Corvette twin turbo in it. That's different. That's different shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Lamborghini station and see what they got over there. Cause I think they be having some fire once in time. But again, I don't know yet because I just got here. But we're here right now. I ain't gonna lie. It's a red one right here. Red and black one. Red and black one. I mean, this is cool. We got a couple of fucking hood, I think. It's cool. It's cool. This is, I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. The Lamborghini section that I went over there, they didn't really have like no new one. It was like the same one that from my last vlog. So I really want to show y'all because it's kind of like boring. But they have this Maserati right here, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit is pressure. Like they got a wide body kit on there. You know what I mean? They got a wide body kit on this motherfucker. And I ain't gonna lie, the wide body in the back is crazy. Can y'all see this? It's crazy. Call it hard though. But I'm not really like a big fan. Like I'm not really like a big fan of Maserati because them shit's ass. Like them shit really ass. But they got this M4 competition right here. I mean M3 right here. And this bitch hard. This M3 hard. The color hard. The Rams kind of like throwing me up a little bit. It's hard though. And then they got an M4 right here. Like, let me know, like, would y'all pick this M4? I mean, this M4 right here hard. Would y'all pick an M4 or M3? Cause like, it's kind of like it's the same shit. It's just like the M4 got like 2 doors and the M3 got like 4 doors. So, me personally, I'll take an M3 because the M3 like, I feel like it's harder. Like, but don't get it fucked up. Like this one right here, I'm looking at this M4 right here. This is tough. You know what I mean? But it got the wings in the back. I ain't never seen no M4 with the wings in the back. So this is play. Like I ain't gonna lie, I will drive this. But look at the inside, y'all. I got a big ass screen on the dashboard. Look at this shit. Like, this is crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and go look around and see if I can find some cool ass car besides this, cause I ain't gonna lie, this section right here is kind of like mid today. It's not really hitting on none. I ain't gonna lie, you too. Look at this 2 race cars right here. I mean, this is hard. I think y'all seen this one before on my last vlog. I'm not sure which one it was, but But I want to say that Lamborghini. That red on red, I mean red on black is crazy. But I feel like the gold rims kind of pull me up a little bit. I'm not like a big fan of gold rim shit. It's hard though. I mean, alright, YouTube. Look at this car right here, right? As y'all know, like my dream car, like my dream car is a hold on, this shit dumb as hell. Here we go. My dream car is a Ferrari, and look at this Ferrari, y'all. This is a red and black Ferrari. Like, I don't know exactly which spec this is, but like I just gotta get my dream car is a Ferrari, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, this shit's growing on me, bro. Like I really like this car, bro. But yeah, nigga. You got a Ferrari right here, you got an Aston Martin right here, you got a McLaren right here. If y'all had to pick out of all three of this car, which one y'all picking? Y'all know I'm going with the Ferrari, because Ferrari's my dream car, bro. Let me know. If you had to pick out of all three of these cars, McLaren, Aston Martin, and the Ferrari, which one you picking? Let me know down below. But I want to show y'all this cool ass Lamborghini STO, bro. Like I know, like I showed y'all like the last one that was over there, the red one. But look at this white and black one, bro. This bitch right here, bro. This shit, man, shit, like whoever made this car, like they took their time to design this motherfucker. It's kind of like it's different from all the like Lamborghini and shit. And I know like this is hard, bro. But if y'all see me stuttering over there, bro, it's cold as fuck outside. Damn, like, I can't even feel my fingers. Like, that's not cold. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some more cars. So I might get copyright for this, Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the house and edit the video for y'all because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I don't want the car show and I'm not really seeing like the new cars except for like the Ferraris and the McLaren, but they don't really have no like no nice shit today. But I think it's cause like it's cold. When it's cold, them cars don't really pop up for real, but when it's hot, bro, I be some crazy shit out here. So and I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm cold as fuck, and I gotta use the bathroom too. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car, go to the crib. And yeah, so if y'all watching right now, make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, and I'll see y'all next vlog. I love y'all. Stay tuned, stay safe. Gang.
I'm in the turf and I'm on the west and I'm on the west. We locking shit down when I'm on. Yeah, when I'm on the west, we locking shit down. When I'm on the east, we bring out the town. I just cracked the seal, I love that little sound. They bring out the bill, I don't even read it. I got a few pills, I pass them around. I'ma go up if I'm feeling down. My brother a G, he smoke out the pound. SUV, Maybach just for 3 plus me. Cause little bitch came from NC. She won't run splits with no seeds. I don't do tons, really not no need. I make fast, I hit her knees. Top shelf